Alright guys, today we're going to be surprising my best friend Ian with a brand new car. Hey! I'm in the grass. What are you doing here, man?
Don't hit me with the car. Whose car is this?
Whose car is this?
No, I can't accept that.
Take it.
I can't accept that.
Take the car.
I can't accept this.
Ian, it's yours.
I can't. Whoa! Yeah! I got a car! Whoa! It looks like it's been used.
What are you talking about?
Dude, this is awesome. This is amazing. Where'd you get the money for this?
This video is being sponsored.
By what?
This video is being sponsored by Minecraft. If you ever want to play a super fun game, download Minecraft.
It got me this new car, guys.
You've seen it help me buy my friends' cars in the past.
Hold on.
Start it up.
Why is there melted cheese right there? Why is there melted cheese?
I had Taco Bell right here.
This brand new car you got me. This is. Oh, I can't believe you bought me an Audi. Can't believe this is real.
It's alright, man. Oh, no, my code. His brand new car. Woo, yeah.
I'll
Enjoy.
see you later.
See you, man.
Enjoy all the spirits.
Oh, the spirits, yeah.
I wrecked your new car.
He wrecked, no! Now he can clickbait it. I just want one more lick. Okay, you can run over it now. Yum.
Clickbait.
Wow. Bye, Ian.
Yeah. Throw it in there. Say thanks for everything.
You can throw it in there. I'm done editing.
That's why you filming it then. If you're not gonna edit it.
What?
Then why are you filming it if you're not gonna edit it?
Because you said film it. And
I said film it on this phone because it looks good.
That's why I'm filming it.
I don't even want to do this fucking shit anymore. You guys maybe come back for a reunion. I don't even want to do it. I'm done with this stuff.
Get the fuck back in the car! This is why we don't fuck anymore!
I don't want to tell him. We'll wait till the end to tell him the big news. Okay.
Heading to the mall, guys.
Yeah.
See you in there.
No, wait.
Oh wait.
Don't stop watching this video because there's big news at the end. Jameson couldn't join us, but there's some news at the end. Some will cry, some will laugh, some will look back and go, "Oh shit, I'm gonna get robbed." But
You guys can't see what we see.
Oh, we have these on so you can't see our eyes for the end of this video
Because they're gonna be crying.
because they're gonna be sad.
Do it again.
I gotta talk really loud because there's music, and I don't want you guys to hear the music because we're gonna get in trouble
We'll get in trouble, you two.
for our biggest video.
Wide angle, guys. Wide angle. Hi.
I'm gonna wear these for all our subscribers' tears at the end of this video. I'm gonna put these on. Ready for the family barbecue.
Ready for the family barbecue, you right?
Because my bum knee, I would have won that championship in high school.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
myself cry.
Hurry up and cry for the video. You guys got it?
I can't do it right now.
We're totes sad, guys.
That's okay. It's okay. Baby boy. Oh, this is our last video, fellas. We're done. Because we're all getting older. We're graduating in like a month.
We're getting older.
So we gotta try to get our lives together and not go around and cause havoc in stores because we're just...
And this was gonna be our career, but
it's hard.
we weren't getting any money.
Yeah. Copyrighted.
We have like one place to go.
We're sorry. This is our last video.
Maybe if these make this blow up and give us a lot of money, which
come back.
then our lives would be set.
Yeah, we gotta concentrate on other things right now. So. We don't really have it. Any of our schedules don't have time for this.
Because we need to make money.
Life?
The one thing you don't mention on YouTube, money.
Yeah.
We're not doing it for the money. We love you guys.
This is our last video. We had a lot of
Guys,
fun.
we gained money from this.
We did not get any money.
Yeah, we just spend a lot of money and
We
we
had a
don't
lot
get
of fun
anything.
though. We did a lot of edgy things.
A lot of goof, gas, laughs, and riff raffs, but
Yeah, but we just started it as a joke too. That's what was funny. Me and him just started it as a joke one night because we watched That Who Shall Not Be Named.
he's coming after us.
No, we just did it as a joke. But it just kind of blew up, and everyone was asking where they were, and we don't really want to do them, so we decided to make our last video. Shout out to Mike Riggleman. We just want to say goodbye.
Sorry, James, you couldn't be here.
James could not be here, but
He's in the army now.
I wouldn't want to be with any other army besides you guys.
He's not really in the army. I should
made-
have about that.
We can't.
Well, Nash Brofist from the #1 in the world.
You made our videos fun. We got really popular off them, I'm not gonna say. Popular. Not really popular off them, but this is our goodbye.
That's just like rock racing.
Yeah, I'll be quiet. Moment of silence. Salute with me. I want you guys to actually salute with me.
Everybody behind your screen.
Stay
Burn.
Stay slow.
He said Susan.
We're gonna remember this.
So I was getting really hot here. Can you hurry up? Moment of silence. Should I pretend to be dead? Hold the wheel. Okay.
It's been one good ride, but we're done. Our videos will always be here for you guys to watch. But
Arm got tired. I'm so sorry.
this is it. Well, guys,
Peace out.
catch you later. One last one.
Bye. All right, man. This is your stop.
Yep. I guess I gotta go. The ride's over. It's been fun. It's been fun. I did a lot of things. We met my grandma. I ate some worms. I got a girlfriend. But all good things must come to an end. Come here, big guy. I need you. Well, I'm gonna go be a hooker on the street now.
See you around.
I'll see you guys later.
Let's get out of here. Garrett, it's been really fun.
It's been a good run.
I'll see you now, man. Handshake.
See you around, man.
Hold on, let me drive away.